Right, one of yours today then. So another battery arrived. We've got that single flashing light, and on a charger it won't charge and you get the Christmas lights. So next thing we do then is we check the voltage in this pack, see what's going on, and hope for the best normally. Let's have a look. And that's not bad actually, so almost 17. So hopefully this is just some cells that are down, but we'll have a look. So we'll open it up, have a look at the board, and then we'll have a look at the cells. And actually straight away, hopefully you can spot that as well, just the colour difference there on the pins. So the one on the right hand side has actually got a little bit just snapped away from it. So it's not black or anything, it's not burnt, but it's certainly not normal, is it? It looks like it's, yeah, a little bit's come off there. So we'll test that at the end, but we'll focus on the first fault if you like. So we'll give them a good clean down, see what's going on. Not too bad in here, obviously sort of well used if you like, but it's got no damage. Everything seems connected, and this one still touches, it's still engaging, but we'll test it as I say at the end. So not too bad on the board then, just potentially something up with that pin, but we'll have a look then at the cells, and these look okay actually down the side. There is a tiny bit of corrosion just on that top one there, but nothing too special, and that side looks perfect. So we'll go down these and have a look. And that's not a good start, so 0.58, so nearly 6. Probably recover that though. 4, that's good. 4, 4. And if my maths is right, this should also be about 4. Yeah, so it's this first one. And that's probably recoverable. Some people would argue that, but what we'll do is we'll actually show that so that people can't argue it, but I'm sure they probably still will. So we'll try and bring that one up. There's no guarantee on how long these will last, but it's certainly worth doing, even if you get, you know, a year out of this thing. Definitely worth the value in doing it. So we've got it hooked up here to the live support. Got it on the 1S setting, which is basically one of the banks, one set, whatever that S stands for, who knows. Got it back up here. So we've charged that one up to over 4 volts. Pop it in the pack, and this should fix this fault. Still have that flashing light because you have to really clear that on the charger. It's just the way these work. Pop it on, and we should get a red light, I'm hoping. Fingers crossed. There we go, look. So I'll claim a victory, but that's not it. So we've got a pin problem, we know, and we just need to know if raising those cells up works. So I've got some other tests I'll do on this after it's fully charged. And I'll stick it on a standard charger. I normally prefer doing that, and that's it.